they want to play a contractista, some good guys.
Hello.
Turn your hair.
Okay, run please. Run. Sunshine.
Here po muna.
Eyes here.
Smile, mate.
One more. Pakita natin yung dress. Smile. One more.
For here, Miss Andrea.
Right there, ha. Sunshine. Si Master.
Hindi tama-tama na dyan. Ayan, yes, I totally agree po. And dito sa inyong dalawa. Sobrang wawang kasama ko kayo. Miss Gladys, Marlo, Chibini sa inyo. At kalahati po ng mga social na pagbago sa luwan. And by the way, I am the Asian Philippines.
Ayun, yun lang. Hindi tayo na-inform. Ano na pala dapat ang info.
Kita naman natin na these ladies beside you are definitely shining lights.
Pero i-flow po natin ang audience natin doon. Hindi eh, parang mas maganda yung speech na. At di naman nagbenta ka, di ba?
Parang gusto ko rin bumili.
And now, of course, we will continue to recognize the brilliant talents in this year's short film category.
Sa likod ng bawat show.
Ganito po yung manalo po ng Best Actress at makapunta din po sa Wapong Disneyland. Pero ngayon po, pinatupad na po ni Lord. Kaya thank you po. Sobrang thankful po ako. And thank you po sa UXS family ko po. Kay Mama Madonna, Mama Noemi, Mama Grace, Direk Randolph, Direk Daphne, Direk Teo, Kuya Mark Raywin, at kay Ate Alexa Ilangan po, kay Tatay Emma po na si Richard Kwan, miss na din ko po kayo. Thank you po talaga din po sa inyo, and thank you rin po sa Anquest family ko po na nakasupport po sa akin, na nagtitiwala po rin sa akin. Maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo. And thank you po sa PNBC Awards po, na ako po yung pinili niyo pong manalo. Thank you po talaga. Yan po talaga kasi yung dream ko eh. Thank you po talaga. And dito po sa maganda ko pong gown ngayon. Thank you po sa luxurious designs po. Kaya po, bili na po kayo. And syempre din po, thank you po kay Mamon of Mamos Talent House na nagpilit po sa akin mag-audition po noon. Kahit hindi pa po ako marunong mag-Korean, kahit kabang-kaba po.
Banda, balota.
Sa inyo na lahat. Lahat ng kinamkam nyo at kakamkamin nyo pa na walang awa. Pati katarungan, nakawin nyo.
Eric Ramos.
PNPC Star Awards, maraming salamat po. Unbelievable lang po, nakaka-nervyos, but sabi ko nga, kailangan ko lang pala ng isang Joey Namangan para ma-recognize po ako bilang isa sa mga Best Supporting Actresses. So, thank you so much for the nomination, and of course, Binibigay ko rin po ito sa aking mga kasamahang Lola Magdalena. Of course, Dennis Evangelista, Hirohito Productions. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala at pagbibigay sa akin ng role na Miriam. Napakahirap, napakalungkot ng
Kyla Estrada for Unhappy for You.
Presenting the trophy for the PNPC is the PNPC Board of Director, Romel Placente.
Good evening, everybody. I just want to say thank you, of course, to PMPC Star Awards for this recognition. I want to also thank ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for giving me the opportunity to be part of this film. And of course, to our director, Peterson Vargas, my co-stars, Joshua, Julia, and the rest of the cast of Unhappy for You for making this film such a joy to shoot. Napakasaya namin shoot yung pelikula na yun, and I'm so glad to be here because of that. I also want to thank, of course, my loved ones and my family and my friends who have held my hand every time I got so anxious about a role. Gusto ko lang po sabihin na nung nagsisimula po ako mag-artista, ang pangarap ko lang po ay maging parte ng maraming pelikula. And I think that this is a sign na paunti-unti na pong natutupad yung mga pangarap ko. So maraming salamat po. Good evening, everybody.
Or when I felt like I couldn't do this properly. And sila yung dahilan talaga kung bakit ako nandito. It's really my support system. I love it. So thank you guys so much. Thank you PMPC, thank you ABS-CBN, thank you Star.
Sabi mo na ngayon na pagkatayan na hindi anak ni Janice.
Ay! Wala naman po akong problema sa pagiging anak ni Janice. Kahit pa forever na ako naging China, okay na sa akin.
Okay, go.
First of all, congratulations for the award. Your thoughts about just getting this award?
Yeah, you know, I was so nervous before. I realized that I feel like the first time I really accepted an award on stage, and I'm very grateful. It's for New Movie Actress of the Year, and I'm so grateful to the PMPC Star Awards for the recognition. I'm also grateful to ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for giving me the opportunity to perform in such a great movie such as Unhappy for You. And it was such a huge hit. I'm thankful to all of my co-stars kasi pinapili nila sa akin na talagang nag-enjoy lang kami kahit nagtatrabaho talaga kami. So yeah, I'm super grateful. I'm over the moon, and I'm just looking forward to everything that comes next.
Okay na.
Let's go!
Boss,